Honey, there's plenty I don't believe. Plenty of things that mean nothing to me. But if there's one thing I know to be, oh, I know what you mean to me. I know what you mean to me.
What is it here?
Like, it's probably cold as
You've got a
62.
story I
I
wanna
feel like
read.
the temperature drops.
You've got a meaning that matters to me. I know there's many more to be seen, but I know what you mean to me. I know what you mean to me.
Ben & Jerry's tourist.
Ice cream.
Original.
Original.
Yes, I know. I know. I know what you mean to me. You keep me steady, ship on the sea. You anchor me down and you float next to me. Honey, I'm ready. Know what I need.
Of course.
And I know what you mean to me.
Is it cold?
I know what you mean to me.
On the floor walking. Daddy, look at this one.
Throw it. You ready?
Throw it in.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Mama. That got me wet.
Good job, Emma.
Skipped it. Let's see how far I can go.
Mama,
skipping,
do you still,
I got
do you still collect apples?
Oh, I'm not finding apples so far.
Whoa!
Yeah. Yeah.
What's it there?
Oh! It did it!
I'm skipping big ones here.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, Emma.
Oh my goodness.
I'm on camera. You stood behind it.
Woohoo!
This looks like a diamond walk. I'm gonna put it in the pocket. Or can you put it in your pocket?
I got a boulder.
Yeah. Oh my word. Oof.
They're both on
They're
it.
crazy.
They're crazy, Mom. Mom, they're
This is
crazy.
why I wanted water shoes. You want to come across, Emma?
No, thanks.
It's cold.
Say, welcome to Vermont.
Mama.
Get a picture? Get a picture. Get a picture, buddy.
Let me pause. Oh, no, they're there. Come on, Bubs. We'll find more rivers. We're gonna go eat lunch.
It's cold, Emma.
Ariel's Rock.
Ariel's Rock? Is that what it's called?
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I try going up here?
If you think you can do it,
Yeah.
go for it.
I know what you mean to me. I know what you mean to me.
find something to eat.
Yeah, it's past lunchtime.
Not many places here in Vermont. We're looking for an Outback Steakhouse. Anybody?
Here, let me fix this for you.
Let's go eat, buddy, right?
Yeah, what time is it?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Right? A little bit past, right? We're close.
It is. It's
12:40.
Oh, it's not bad.
12:40.
Let's go find something to eat. Let's go down this way, buddy.
Okay.
Don't have to worry about cars, do we?
Until one hits us.
Until one hits us.
Like winter. Do you want the jacket back? Yeah.
It's cold.
Yep.
You see which one?
Go ahead.
The ball?
Something you want here?
Angry.
We have the Doritos. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Daddy,
Yeah. What is it?
look at this.
Oh, those are good. Smarties.
I don't like them.
And what'd you get for a sandwich?
Big loaf beef.
You got that. You got roast beef. Roast beef. Yum. Good. What'd I get? You got a turkey. And what'd you get? It's good? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? Definitely thumbs up. You're amongst the wine. Huh? Dude. Dude.
Dude.
Dude.
Dude. Dude.
Oh, let me hold that bag. Come in.
I'm just gonna walk around the neighborhood. Eagle Brook. Huh?
It's a mega house.
That's a mega house.
That's so big. 1826. That's so big. Was Papa born back then?
We're gonna go see the little river, Emma.
What will live off?
Over this bridge.
Live off.
A little park at this.
Live off.
We're gonna go. It's over there.
What home? Emma, what home? The car.
Old fire station. We'll go look inside this fire station.
Yeah.
Let's go look inside this old fire station.
Wait, it's literally called the old fire station.
This is an old. This is the old post office. This is.
It's literally named the old fire station.
Yeah. Is there anything in there? Old firehouse.
No, it's a painted vintage furniture place.
Cool.
But, appointment.
Old fire station. They should call it Ye Ol'.
Daddy.
Yeah.
No more of this.
Mama.
Oh,
He
this
was
is
like,
brother.
he put his ship in, remember in the movie one, he put his rock in front of his ship. And
It's a rock. A big rock.
It is a rock. It's a memorial. Little river.
Uh-huh. Oh, careful, there's a hole right behind you, buddy.
Yeah, no, I saw it.
Cute little town, huh?
Super cute.
Super cold. It's middle of June and it's this cold.
Feels like winter.
It's summertime for us, and this is winter weather for us. Cold. Yeah.
I'm a little garden.
We made it. Oh, it's so cold. Oh!
How is it in Florida right now?
I think it feels like 102 or something.
What is it here?
Like, it's probably colder than 62. I feel like the temperature dropped.
I want
Should be getting there.
You know where it is.
I'll say.
Five.
I'm just fixing my shoe.
1:30.
Oh, how long does it take there?
Not long. We're gonna stop places on the way there.
I did this.
Well, I need to get my sweater out.
Huh? Oh, look at all these cyclists coming behind you.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, there's definitely.
A bike thing going on today.
A bite wall. A bite wall. A bite wall. This is a bite wall. Bite wall. A bike wall.
Cheese.
This is my teeth.
Say cheese.
Look.
So, heading back to the hotel.
This is how big the thing is.
The white is the white is